Well, our newest winner of the WHAS-11 ExCEL Award says her job is different every day. There are different students, different problems.
Nicole Smith is a counselor at Charlestown Middle School in southern Indiana, and this ExCEL winner has also been chosen Greater Clark County Teacher of the Year. Gary Roedemeier is back from Charlestown after today's presentation. Gary?
Thank you, Doug. Well, Nicole Smith is a University of Missouri graduate who started her career in the elementary classroom and then migrated to math. But as a counselor, Smith says she can teach one-on-one in ways that are not possible in a traditional classroom.
Lunchroom, 12:30. This is Nicole Smith's office hours. Amidst the chips and the water bottles, the counselor is in. A teacher is connecting with her students, hopefully all of them.
I love going into the lunchroom because most people are like, oh, the lunchroom, it's so loud, it's not, you know, the most favorite place to be. But I do a lot of my counseling in there because I get to see how the students are in their social settings, who they are connected with.
It is not a conventional classroom, but nothing about this teacher is conventional. And at the age of these students, that can be crucial.
She helps our students navigate the emotional social issues at the middle school level that have never been an issue for them before.
The end of the school year was a time of excitement as the students signed in to honor the teacher who helps them navigate the stormy seas of middle school. Nicole Smith is the ExCEL Award winner and Greater Clark County Teacher of the Year. Charlestown Middle and its ExCEL Award-winning teacher get a $1,000 teacher grant from LG&E KU. And the home of the Pirates is the home to Mrs. Smith, who was counselor to all who cross her path.
And I have the whole school to think about. And so when they come in my office in that one-on-one setting, this is the time where I'm not a therapist or anything like that, but that is the time where I can really, they are open to talk with me, where when you have 30 other kids around, you can't have that conversation.
But in her office or in the lunchroom, the counselor makes sure that that conversation takes place.
And she's so conscientious about what she does that the students know that her office is a safe place to be themselves. They can vent, they can cry, they can celebrate.
But this was a day to celebrate. The students celebrating Mrs. Smith, the counselor with the common name, but the uncommon ability to counsel and comfort all at Charlestown Middle.
Well, as Doug indicated, the Greater Clark ExCEL Award was the last of 13 ExCELs to be presented during this past academic year. But before we bid farewell to this ExCEL Award-winning class, they will once again be celebrated on our special one-hour edition of Great Day Live on June the 22nd. Join us as we talk once again about great teaching at 10 a.m. on that Friday. Gary Roedemeier, WHAS-11 News.
All right, look for that. Thank you, Gary. Are you ready to bet?